He called her a fraud, kicked her leg in court to provoke a reaction. What he didn't know, she was a retired Black Navy SEAL, with more discipline than most men in the room. When she stood, the entire courtroom learned the difference between silence and unstoppable strength. The courtroom was packed. It was supposed to be a routine civil hearing. Jada Monroe, a retired Black Navy SEAL, was there as a silent witness for a housing discrimination case involving a fellow veteran. She sat in uniform, composed and quiet in the front row, her service ribbons gleaming softly under the courtroom lights. Then it happened. Officer Dean Lasker, a white cop and defendant in the case, made his way to the stand. As he passed by Jada, he paused, looked her up and down, and muttered under his breath, "Stolen valor." She didn't respond, but as he turned to step away, he suddenly kicked the side of her leg. Hard. Gasps echoed. A bailiff moved forward, unsure if what he saw was real. Jada didn't flinch. She stood slowly, straightened her posture, and in that moment, the entire room felt the shift. She spoke one sentence, "Sir, that was your last mistake." Before anyone could react, she executed a flawless disarming maneuver, gently but firmly forcing Lasker off balance without laying a single punch. He hit the ground. His gun, hidden beneath his jacket, skidded across the floor. Now the courtroom exploded. Lawyers, the judge, security, everyone was in motion. But Jada remained still. When order was restored, surveillance was reviewed, and everything became clear. Lasker had a long history of misconduct, abuse reports, complaints buried, even falsified military credentials. He had come in uniform to intimidate. She had come in silence to support. But when provoked, her training, integrity, and composure flipped the entire courtroom dynamic. By the end of the day, Lasker was taken into custody, stripped of his badge, and charged with assault and weapons concealment. The judge personally apologized to Jada on the record. "I was taught to protect, not provoke," she said quietly before exiting the courtroom. That moment went viral. Photos of her standing, calm, tall, in uniform, circulated everywhere. Headlines read, "Navy SEAL silences cop without a word." But Jada didn't care about headlines. She didn't come to fight, but she finished it with honor. Comment, "Power without permission." If you believe true warriors don't raise their voices, they rise in silence. Like the video, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more stories where respect is earned, not asked for.